Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and you're probably wondering, why am I showing you QlikView? That's because I have a new tool called the QlikView to Qlik Sense Converter tool. It's the first tool to perform a one-to-one automated conversion of a QlikView application to Qlik Cloud. So let's just jump right in, and we'll have more videos on this getting into more detail. So I have a standalone tool that runs on my Windows workstation. You can see it's called qv2qs.exe. I'm going to execute that. When I execute that, it will start a program that actually starts a listener and will also bring up a web browser, as you see here. First thing you must do is accept the license agreement, and then you can start going through the steps. You could either click the button on the bottom or click the bubbles. So for workflow mode, we're just going to select Build to Qlik Cloud. Click Next. We're going to do a single project, and I have a QVW, which is that asset management QVW you saw when we started the video. And we're going to auto-generate the PRJ file. Click Next. We're going to select an output folder, and here I actually have the folder in the same area I have the installation file. Next, select context. We don't have any context set up for the Qlik Cloud authorization. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to put in a name for the tenant, select my tenant URL, and then an API key. Now I have this pre-configured already. For reference, you go to your tenant and you can set up API keys that you can use for this. Create context. And now that context is selected. Now we're going to go to the Qlik Cloud app, and we're just going to give it a new name. We'll call it Asset Management. And I'm going to leave everything else default at this point. Generate report, Excel path, includes built-ins, styling, sheet background images, fallback to document background. I'm not going to touch any of this stuff right now. We're just going to see exactly what it does with this pretty complex QlikView app. You do have the ability to make adjustments. And then finally, the review, and then run conversion. Let's do that right now. Okay, now we have our executive summary, but right now I know you're probably all interested in just seeing what the app looks like within Qlik Cloud. So let's go over to Qlik Cloud. Let's go to the catalog. Okay, so let's navigate over to our catalog, and there's the asset management app. So I'm just going to step through each sheet on the Qlik Cloud Analytics side and on the QlikView side so you can see the comparison. So we're going to wrap this up, but you can see this solution truly changes the way you can migrate QlikView over to Qlik Cloud. So what once took weeks or even months can now be completed in minutes, with the apps converted and deployed end-to-end in under possibly 5 minutes each. We have some proven results showing 10 to 30 times faster delivery, and you can accelerate ROI and eliminate infrastructure and licensing costs, and even fast-track the decommissioning of legacy apps. And at the same time, you're preserving the familiarity of your existing dashboards while unlocking powerful AI-driven capabilities and even modern collaboration from day one. Also note, this isn't about starting over. In most cases, post-conversion effort is minimal. So just small adjustments here and there, maybe a setting tweak, clearing a dimension, resizing visualization. Some apps may need no changes at all, while others may need a bit more, but the heavy lifting is already done. What took weeks now takes minutes. What took years now takes months. So I hope you like this. Look out for more videos from myself and the Qlik team. And if you have any questions, please ask them where this video was posted. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.